Hello, my name is Omar Faruk Tekbilek. In this video, I am going to talk blending Eastern and Western musical styles. As a musician, I was very lucky to have a chance to meet wonderful musicians and collaborate with them and create beautiful music together in very different color. As a rhythm player also, I was always aware of that. In the music, the common root, the essence of music is the rhythm. So if we concentrate in the rhythmical structure, and it becomes very easy to create the melodies over it. So we find common rhythmical pattern, and then we put any kind of melody on it. We can easily understand each other. I collaborate with Tomatito from Spain, a great flamenco guitar player, Yasmin Levy, Mark Eliyahu, Ginger Baker, rock drummer, Nusrat Fethi Ali Khan, and also Brian Keane. With all these great musicians, I was blending very easily because, first of all, I respect their tradition and also my tradition. In this sense, I always use the analogy of using the poison. There was a tradition in Turkish culture when the child, young age, they used to give them poison little bit, so their immune system gets stronger. So when they grow up, when they're confronted with the bigger amount of poison, so they don't lose their life. So in this sense, if we lose poison very little, so it enhances our immune system. If we lose too much, then it kills us. I always remember this balance, and without losing our color and without losing their color, and meeting in the middle point and creating something beautiful, blending of these two different cultures. So I was very lucky, had this experience. I give concerts with all these beautiful musicians all over the world, and I had a great pleasure blending with these different cultures. Having this in my mind as rhythm becoming the common root for the musical creation, and I had beautiful experience with Brian Keane, my first producer. We create 9 albums together. In the creating process, what we were doing in the studio is exactly like this. We had some rhythmical pattern, and then he plays something and I play something, and it become very easy because we feel the beat without thinking melody. So concentrating, serving to the rhythmical pattern is the main focus. Then it becomes very easy creating the melody. So he plays something, I play something, and suddenly something come out very different than from his culture and from my culture. It's the blending of two. It's a great pleasure as a musician to achieving this result, being aware of the rhythmical pattern. So the rhythm is the music. Also, I remember here my great teacher Burhan Baba, we call it Burhan Tonguç, we call him Burhan Baba. He was always saying that whatever the instrument we are playing, we are all percussionists. If there is no touch, there is no sound. Even it's a bow or a plug or even the blowing, we are a rhythm player. So with this sense, I become a drummer. I study Jim Krupa's 3-drum method, and all my CDs, I play all the percussions myself, and I put the melodies on it. In our tradition too also, every musicians, whatever they play, they always play some kind of rhythm instrument, so they become aware of the structure of the pattern before the melody. So if we know the beat, then it is very easy to follow up the melodies. So as a result, I got the reward because of this awareness. So I could blend very easily with these cultures, and they appreciate what I do, and I am always open-minded, and I appreciate what they are doing. And now as we are in the global age, it's very easy to reach other cultures. So I advise all the musicians and becoming aware of rhythmical structures first before the melodic structure. So it becomes very easy to create any kind of melodies or rhythmical awareness. So hopefully this can help you, all these experiences, and you can use it. And don't be afraid searching for other musicians and sharing our knowledge with the open mind and receiving their knowledge and giving our knowledge together and blending something beautiful as a new age global village. This age now, world is a global village. I like this term very much. So I hope you enjoyed with my experience I share with you. Hope to see you next video.